Some of the key functions and features that differentiate Opendrives from other solutions are, one, our inline caching. Inline caching with Opendrives increases performance, thus increasing the end user experience by reducing latency and increasing performance. That creates a better user experience for the editor so that the seamless nature of scrubbing a timeline, opening project files becomes very seamless so that they can stay in the flow. The inline caching reduces the amount of cost involved in investing in lots of expensive high-performance hardware. The intelligent layer of our software and how it handles the inline caching really reduces the overall cost for hardware. Number two, snapshotting. Snapshot is a critical function within Opendrives that allows IT administrators and end users to be able to retrieve files that they need that might have been accidentally deleted or maybe purposefully deleted that they need back. This is done through either snapshotting directly within the system itself or remote snapshotting for disaster recovery. A third feature that is really differentiated at Opendrives is our fully Checksum Filesystem. As media entertainment content gets captured and lands on a centralized storage system like Opendrives, the content acquisition may have cost a lot of money. So once you land your data within Opendrives, you're in a fully Checksum file system. You know that every single time that you access that data, that it's guaranteed to be 100% pixel accurate. Shared caching is another really important feature within Opendrives. And what this is, it allows any application that has a local cache ability to be able to be pointed at the Opendrives shared cache location. What this does is it increases the efficiency in a few different ways. One is when you point to that shared cache is much more performant than a local cache would be, as we have greater performance at the centralized storage location. In addition, there is an economy of scale efficiency that is gained, where once one cache file is created, if there's another person who opened that same file and that file would typically need to get recreated again, they don't need to recreate it again because it's already been created there. So that increases performance and reduces latency. And then lastly, there's a cost efficiency where you're not needing to buy local storage for each workstation for that shared cache, for that local cache location, but you can point it all to the Opendrives storage location and share that efficiency across your entire environment. Opendrives Atlas product has containerization built into its software. This allows customers to be able to install and run applications directly on the storage controller itself. The containerized application sits directly within the storage controller, thus really talking to itself because the data doesn't reside across a wire. An analogy I like to tell is communication. Talking to somebody else, sometimes some things are lost in translation, but when you're thinking to yourself, which is essentially what we have with containerization sitting on top of the storage controller and having direct access to the pool, is nothing gets lost in translation. So things become much more seamless, much faster as the application has direct access to the data set and metadata. Another efficiency with containerization is the orchestration engines that we provide. So you can actually launch multiple containerized applications and create a workflow with automation in how each one of these applications will work together in accessing, transforming, delivering data that resides on the storage system itself. So maybe that is a ingest, a transcode engine, and then a delivery through an accelerated transport engine. This can all be orchestrated within Opendrives.